Hi, welcome back. Certainly glad you could join us today.
I'm not going to touch this right now yet because I want to close the ear on
This is where the fun starts.
We are in Philadelphia at the famous Graffiti Pier, and of course we're gonna put one up. So I hope you enjoy this video and keep smiling. It may be hard to see what we're doing, but it's already sketched up, and let's get busy and get it done. We had some music on here, some pretty cool old school beats, but unfortunately, because of YouTube copyright, we had to change the music a bit. That's how it is. So we added our own music, and as you can see, I was dancing and smiling because that's just what I like to do. Do you feel I went a little bit overboard? I don't know, but feel free to leave a comment.
Wouldn't it be nice to paint the sky? A million smiles, no reason why. Mr. H2S with a map in hand, traveling the world like it's never been planned. Smile, subscribe, enjoy the vibe. Adventure's calling, it's time to ride. Explore with Lisa, the world's so wide. Positive is the only guide. Dusty roads and oceans deep, stories to tell, no time for sleep. Every step a brand new song, join the journey, come along.
I've been painting for so many years, and I always find myself standing on a ladder. And if there's one job I hate, it's really the ladder job. Well, let's keep going. You may be asking yourself, have I ever fallen down a ladder while painting? Well, the answer is simple. That's a yes. How many times? Okay, let's just not get into that, shall we? Whenever I paint, I always get my caps messed up and get confused, so I'm looking for a cap in my pocket, and guess what? I took a cap from another can because I knew that was a good one, so when you got a good cap, it's good to stay with it.
Smile, subscribe, enjoy
such thing as a happy mistake. You change it to a happy entry. Okay, yeah, I kind of had to put up a few cheeky YouTube advertising logos, so if you feel like it, please do click that subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. I also want to blah blah a little bit and ask for sponsors and $1 and all that usual stuff, but I put it in the text, and if you feel like it, you are so very welcome. Now the piece is starting to take a little bit shape, and it's been a long day. We actually would love to come back one more day and totally finish it, but that's not how it works. I hope you enjoyed watching, and have a beautiful day. Never do forget to smile. It's the best.
You don't even have a white line on that, bro.
White line on the top. I'll do white lines in the top. Perfect, darling. It's good you just walked behind the thing as I'm trying to film this, and I just got a slice of sunlight right through the mask and the character.
So yeah, much respect and shout out to Bombay. Thank you so much, bro. It was the best trip ever, and we look forward to coming back for more. Hopefully you will have gotten a haircut and fixed the aircon in your car. Yeehaw! I would definitely say we put a mark up today, and it was a long and quite exhausting day, so time to get back to the house and relax a bit.
Hell yeah!
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and had some fun. Really appreciate you watched to the end, and hope you keep smiling.